Alrighty, good morning, everyone. Hope you guys are all having a blessed day. Let's catch some W's today. Doo -doo -doo. Any other news besides the news at 8:30 today? We have 10 a.m. news. That's gonna be fun. I hope you guys are all aware that there's 10 a.m. news. Chad, I have a question. Does anybody know if people use the same code for the firms, who does the profit go to? I've been seeing people stream and a lot of people have the same code. I really wonder. Let's go see how Big Mike's doing. Anybody use cumulative volume delta? All right, what we got? We have a huge 15-minute bullish for value gap here. Another one below. Yeah, hello. Looks like we're slowly moving to previous week's high here. Look at the lows we made during Tuesday. Go on the 1 minute and zoom out and look at Tuesday. Yeah. All right, well, it looks like we're delivering off a 15-minute bullish right now. News pushed us up higher. We have a 4-hour bullish as well. We have previous week high to go grab. I think we're gonna go grab previous week high today. Yeah, for the first time yesterday, NQ was ahead of ES. It's been a while that hasn't happened. I hate when they're out of sync. So what happened? You were at the gym when you hurt your neck? You can't, you can't catch a break, you. Alright, well we just souped triple equal lows on the 5 minute. I only see two other lows to go grab on the 5 before entering this big bullish 5 minute. Yeah, I don't know. News came back up for us to take out many highs. So I think if we're bearish, we could continue going down for Asia sell side and the lunch hour low from yesterday as well. What do we have on the 15? Wow, those lows look so juicy to go grab at the 29,550 area. There's like 6 lows there about. Yeah. It's an easy target, but we already took out 2 days worth of highs already today. I don't know, I find news could have caused that manipulation. I said I find news could have caused the manipulation for us to continue lower. The news took out a shit ton of buy side. London, I think. No, not full London. Yeah, a lot of internal. And Asia took out already the 2 previous days highs. What are we today? Wednesday? Did you see that girl on TikTok? Her name is Alice. She trades Forex. Yeah. She talks like this. What makes a great POI? She's like French. Or she sounds French. I don't know. Yeah, she made a good video on POIs. It was interesting. She's good too at technical terms, at the theory behind it. There's news at 10 a.m. as well. I read folder, but it's just the chairman who's speaking. Just letting you know. But when you don't answer me, I think I'm on mute. I said there's news at 10 a.m. Red folder. One of the chairmen testifies. Just to let you know. That's the guy who you thought was testifying on Monday. Yeah, I don't know either. Make it sound unique. Makes him sound important. He's testifying. Is it both sides or you have just one side that's paralyzed? No, you're actually crippled. Bro, don't leave the house today. I'll be worried for your safety. Mister's been getting some bad luck. So how do you put the cream? I feel like my girlfriend had the same one. She had to open up the eye. I had to put it near the top of her eyelid, and then she just close her eye and not move for like 10 seconds for it to go into the pores, like you said. But you told me you didn't have to put it in your eye. You just have to rub it on your eyelid. Hers was weird. It was like a jelly, like a white jelly. Why your eye doesn't work?
Oh, there's cream in my eye.
Oh, I'm sorry. I got confused. You said you close your right eye. Your right eye is the good eye. I thought you meant you close your bad eye and then through your good eye you see all blurry.
Yeah, I know what you thought, buddy. I understood.
I know you didn't talk again. I just want to confirm you heard me. Strong rejection of us taking off those highs on yes. We really couldn't push above. Now those quadruple those equal lows on yes look very clean at 592.50, right above the new day opening gap. And yes filled the new week opening gap as well. Completely just filled it and rejected off it. I don't know. This looks pretty bearish to me, man. Yes, his chart be looking bearish. My ears are blocked. How do you unblock ears?
I think you have to hold your nose and blow.
I think it made it worse. Yeah, I think I made it worse. It's crazy how when you go into the ocean, the deeper you go, the more pressure there is. You have the atmospheric pressure pushing down,
It's the water pressure.
which is insane to think about. You're just going down into water, and yet you have the pressure of everything above you
You.
trying to crush you.
Yeah, go look at a submarine imploding.
I don't think I've ever seen that. Imploding means
Search up
blowing up.
submarine imploding.
Is that blowing up?
Not blowing up, no. It's imploding.
What does that mean?
Go
Submarine.
look.
Go look.
Pressure's too much, so it like literally like crushing a juice box.
Bro, I just saw one. It says the Titan submarine, but I think there was a guy inside because when it imploded, there was blood.
It's gonna saw what you saw.
It just blew up.
Well, go look at the video I sent you. That's implosion.
Go look. Did he not close your door?
Yeah, the cat came back in and opened it again.
Okay, bro.
Yeah. The cat.
I even shot him a text. I'm like, bro, do me a favor, go close the door. The cripple in the back's complaining he can't get up, but he got out of bed.
Yeah, you know, it took me 5 minutes to get out of bed.
Bro, your neck hurts, not your leg. Get up with your legs and kick the door closed.
It's not just my neck, it's my whole trap. The whole side of my neck and my trap. There's no position that I can get up easily. I was almost debating on screaming, help! Well, the pain is unbearable. It's actually insane. I pulled neck muscles before at the gym when I do preacher curls or whatever. Pinch nerves in my shoulder. Never something like this.
Mm.
Not even remotely close.
All right, well, we're gonna be forming a big bearish 15 minute now, and we're about to take out more lows. Once we take out Asia, maybe even the low before that as well. What is that low? PMA sell side yesterday's afternoon. Yes, his chart looked very bearish up here on the 15 minute. We souped all the highs. We had no strength to push above. We filled up the whole new week opening gap, and we came back down strong. Anyways, we'll see what he wants to do. Asia, Asia. Yes, came back down, souped another low on the 15 minute into a bullish revival gap, and is pushing back up.
Thank you for telling me.
Keeping you up to date. I'm like the news reporter.
Yeah, it's pushing into up. Thanks, boss.
I wanted to
I
take in
wonder
more
what that
internal
was.
before going back up. I wanted to take out Asia, and I wanted to take out that low at 70425.
I wonder the what.
Then maybe we could come up and fill the 15 minute gaps we're gonna make. The unmitigated gaps. I'm hearing that often now. A lot of people are using unmitigated gaps. I saw even Adanomics starting to post on his trades. He has an indicator for your unfilled 5 and 10s and 15 minute gaps.
It's been a thing for years already.
No, I know. I didn't say it hasn't been. I said I'm seeing a lot of people use it now. His trades always look good though in hindsight when he posts them. Adanomics, they always look so clean. Like it makes every time I look at him, like, bro, how stupid. How come I didn't see it like that?
Every winning trade in hindsight looks amazing.
Good morning, James.
Literally, every winning trade in hindsight looks amazing.
Yeah, I know.
I also realize he hasn't posted a payout in forever.
You're right, but when I look at somebody posting about their winning trade, and it's something that like I don't understand, I won't say, wow, it looks super clean. But I don't know, I find Adanomics, since he uses terms that we use in his like chart, what do you call it, like the explanation or what he puts on his chart looks pretty clean. It looks like I understand it a lot more. And I'm like, oh wow, wow, great trade idea. But like you said, in hindsight, everything looks clean. Yeah, always looks cleaner when the move is completed.
Both. I could long at a random place, and if it works out, post like my reasons why, and it'll look clean.
Yeah, yeah, I know. You could find reasons. I know.
Like, come on, man. He doesn't even trade live with his Discord, eh?
I don't know. I joined his Discord two, three, four times in the beginning when I was learning, and every time he promised I'm gonna trade live, and I saw him join maybe one time for 45 minutes and say, "Oh fuck that, I'm going back to bed." Price action is shit. And then he'll post like on his IG like an hour later, caught this long W. Uh,
It's important to. You're joining a streamer. It's important that he's trading live. If he's not trading live, I don't even know why you're in the Discord.
Well, initially I joined for the theory. To understand more about, like you said, liquidity ranges. He
No,
talks a
getting
lot about.
models or theory is not the problem. I'm saying staying in a Discord,
Oh yeah,
paying someone continuously for someone who's not trading live and teaching live in live environments is useless.
yeah, I get it.
Get it or not? Explain it.
I'll explain it. Initially, I joined for the all the models, and then the reason why what you're saying is why I didn't stay an extra month.
Oh, what are you saying, bro?
The reason that you said if you want to stay, you want to make sure that your person that you're joining is trading live, so you can get good information out of it, and that you're actually following someone who gives you good shit. I'm saying after 1 month, I just left. I took all the information, all the theory, and all the videos that he had. I learned from it, but every time he would say that he would be trading live, he never went live. And I said I was a fool that I already joined him one more time after him saying he was going to go live, and that month he didn't. And then like 2, 3, 4 months later, I was on vacation. I saw the same post and I bought it again. But I was an idiot. Is that okay with you? Or you want to call me an idiot one more time?
I don't know. I understood the first and the second time. I thought you were joking the third time. You kept going.
Well, he is the bullish asset, huh?
Yeah, ES has been extremely bullish.
Surprised we stopped right above Asia. Asia low. Hey TA, what's up? Welcome back. Oh, I didn't even see what you sent me on TikTok yet about the submarine. Whatever you sent me, it says the video's unavailable.
Uh, it was literally just a tank or something imploding. Bro, explosion is outwards, imploding is inwards because of the pressure.
Ah.
So I told you, think of like a juice box.
I
Pressure juice
didn't
box.
even think about it. Exploding, imploding.
Pretty sure that's what
Ah,
it means.
I don't know, but that explanation made full of sense. Which makes sense because when they say like, like when you land on a grenade and you explode, even though the explosion is on the outside, they say that the explosion happens from the inside. You know what I mean? You don't, huh?
I have no idea what you mean.
I already read once that, like, for example, somebody catches a grenade with their stomach and it explodes. The body doesn't
Yeah.
explode from the outside within. Apparently, when you get into a blast, even though the blast is outside your body, how your body explodes is from the inside out.
Yeah, because of the pressure.
Yeah,
It's not you exploding, it's the grenade. But if you had the grenade inside of you, you would explode.
I don't know. I'm trying to relate it to your imploding, exploding. Okay, I'm gonna Google it,
No,
bro.
imploding is literally just.
You read it, huh? You just read it.
I didn't read nothing. I don't even know the definition.
Here, the
I
fundamental
think it's
difference
the
between
opposite of it.
implode and explode is the direction of the force. To explode means to burst outward, while to
Uh-huh.
implode means to collapse inward.
There you go. Like it
Energy
just
and
watch,
matter
like I told you
expand and
before.
shoot away from the center. Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. How funny is that? How is it if you catch a grenade, you're exploding? You're not imploding. How does that make sense? Because it says energy and matter expand and shoot away from the center. So that means your energy and inside you is exploding and expanding towards the exterior.
Bro, go take a science class after. I just wanted you to find out what imploding was. That's it.
I see imploding means to collapse inward. Explode, a firework in the sky, an inflating balloon that bursts, or a detonating bomb. Implode, a deep sea submarine crushed by surrounding water pressure, or a light bulb breaking inward because of the vacuum inside. A vacuum inside a container. Yeah. So from a grenade, us, it's the excessive internal pressure. Wow, that's cool. Where are you going to be doing it, TA? And when you mean for lunch, do you mean 12 to 1, 1 to 3? No, but when are you going to start? 12, 12:30, 1 o'clock? After dad.
After that.
Like we have the same father. I asked him when he's gonna start do the afternoon. He said he's gonna stream with no skills, and he wrote after dad.
Yeah.
Ah! Like as if he's my brother. I'm gonna trade after dad. Okay, that was funny. That was the joke of the day. Oh, that's funny. That made me piss. When are you gonna trade after dad? David, you didn't laugh. You didn't find that funny.
Yeah, it was funny. I understood.
That was a good one.
It was. It was.
Felt like I was reading a text from my own brother. After dad. What time does he usually finish? Around 12, 12:15, right?
Oh, I'm in pain. I am suffering.
Suffering and beyond.
Benjamin Netanyahu, give me a trade. I love those videos. Benjamin Netanyahu, don't hit my stop loss.
I've never seen that. The memes that
You
made
never
me
seen
laugh is
those?
when that girl was doing that review in her bikini about a trade, and then so many of the guy traders were doing it in their underwear too. Here's the
Yes.
trade recap of the day. If I move my bulge to the left, you see the CISD. Oh, those were so funny. I'm surprised TGR didn't do it. Or he did and I didn't see it.
I don't think he did that.
But that was so funny.
If I move my balls to the side, you can take a 5 minute CIS.
If I move my bulge to the right, you guys see this 5 minute CISD. Ah. Bro, I'm telling you, sometimes people on the internet are so funny. I don't even know how people come up with this shit. Like, you know how people tell us sometimes you guys are so stupid, we're not even laughing at the joke, we're laughing at you. Some people on the internet are so good at coming up with stupid shit. It's so fascinating. It's like when you watch a funny video and then you open up the comment section. The shit people come up with. Okay, what do we have here? No, no, no cycle low yet. Bro, do we all have neck pain?
Comment section is always the best after a funny video on Instagram.
Yeah. Ah, TA, you didn't hear it, but there was a girl, a streamer, when she does like trade recaps, she'll do it like in her bikini. But the issue is, I've never seen her videos. I only saw the men who copied her doing it after her, so I was always confused why they're doing it. And I was sending them to my brother. So instead, they were laughing at her and making the same videos that she was doing. So the guys would go on TikTok or Instagram and do a trade recap, but they do it where they would be like in their underwear or in just like a little booty shorts, and they'd be doing their trade recap. And one of the jokes where the guy was came up with something funny. He was blocking like the whole camera, so you couldn't really see the chart. And he goes, "Sorry guys, if I move my bulge to the right, we can clearly see here there's a 5 minute CISD." So yeah, that's what we were talking about. People were making jokes about her and copying her, so they did the same shit. Oh, I wonder if we're just gonna get one of those huge candles out of nowhere when Mr. Walsh says something. We've been getting a lot of those random candles. Warsh is testifying. There should be a timer when one of them testifies, like next to it when he starts talking, and when he's done, the timer should like stop, or like go red, so we know he's done. Am I right or am I wrong? Maine is in the US or is it some part of the of Europe? She can bury me in a cave. Isn't Maine US? US state. Oh wow, it's pretty nice. You guys are on the water. When I click Maine, the only thing it shows me is the what do you call those? The thing with the big light thing near the ocean. The tower with the light. What's the name of it, Dave?
It's the name of what? With
The
the
tower
towers?
with the light at the top near the water. You know, like the Coast Guard light. A lighthouse, that's what it's called, no?
Oh, yeah, yeah. I thought you were talking about a monument. I was like, what the hell?
No.
Yeah, Coast Guard building. A lighthouse.
Oh, Coast Guard building.
That's what it is, a lighthouse.
Does it get pretty cold during winter? Because over here it gets pretty darn cold. You guys get between 50 and 70 inches of snow. Take a guess. Are we close, Montreal? They get 50 to 70. What do we get? Take a guess. Oh, we're not that far. We get about 85. Okay, it's not that bad. We get about 85 inches of snow. You guys get about, what did I say, 40 to 50? Dave, did you hear that?
What's up? Wow, ES is still pushing up, and then Q looks like he wants to go down for, I don't know what, Asia?
I don't know, but yes, has that previous week high, so now we're gonna have a huge
Yeah,
bearish
yeah.
SMT once it takes out the morning high. And yeah, NQ is still pretty down low. If only you knew what he was doing, TA. I think he has like ADHD or ADD. He's not a pro at ignoring, he's a pro at doing other shit.
He's a pro at doing other shit. Oh my god.
He's like the character in Mario guy, he's like Shy Guy. Call me Mr. Shy Guy. Call me Mr. Wrong. I know what I want and I want it now. Oh, yes, it's picking up. We're back in OTE long. OT, the final range, close above the high. CASD, tap back in on that bullish order block, and up we go. What do people use for the drawing? Where is it? It's the brush. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Well, I'll have a camera soon. I'm working on a payout, so when I'm really close, I'll turn my camera on so I can take a trade and you'll see a live payout on multiple accounts.
That's a good one. No, but did you see what he wrote? He's like, do you have your cam on and David doesn't because it's redundant?
I saw you.
Bro, I told you guys, David's shy. He's Mr. Shy Guy. I know what I want and I want it now.
I show up like the main card. It's time.
And now in the blue corner,
In the payout corner.
the man who people believe is a pro at ignoring his brother appears for the
In the
first time
stop
on
loss corner.
camera.
In the stop loss corner.
David!
Alex. In the stop loss corner.
In the stop loss corner, wearing red
Oh,
shorts, coming in at 0 and 8. Alex! Yeah! It's time! The Duke.
you should do a stream for a straight month. You trade on the toilet and see how many hemorrhoids you get.
Bro, what are you saying? Hey, we took out Asia. Let's get some movement back up. There's no way ES is not taking those highs. It left relatively equal highs with the AM set with the open as well.
Well, I'm always gonna remember another story. When I went out and I told Antonio it's time to go home. Your mom called. You need to put your hemorrhoid cream.
Yeah, I think we're gonna get a little bounce here too. The only thing is that we
Listen,
barely took out Asia, so
ew,
maybe we'll have a little bit more of a continuation to the downside before going back up. But I don't think ES is leaving those highs.
ew, you have hemorrhoids? He went, what are those? And she goes, when you have shit in your ass.
What are those?
Oh my God, she didn't know how to explain it. When you have shit in your ass, he's like, I don't
Okay,
have
okay,
shit in
okay,
my
bro.
ass. It's funny, what okay? I'm catching a trade here. Don't worry, boy. There goes Asia.
I should buy a couple evals and we should have full port Friday. Full port Friday.
You should do it on Monday.
Uh,
Everybody does it on Friday. You should be different. You full port on Monday and ruin your whole week.
I know what I want and I want it now.
My God.
I'm gonna go long with no stop loss.
Long outfit. Oh, that's a nice short for PME sell side right there.
People say to reach for the moon, but I reach for the stars. Well, that's some great sell side we just took out again. But there's no way ES doesn't take out those highs there. You know what memory I just got on my Snapchat when we left a cone in front of Costa's front door, a city cone. Bro, imagine waking up at 6 a.m., you open your door to go to work and you see a construction cone right on your front door.
He walked to Justin's house and put it on his doorstep. Oh my god.
People are waking up before work and dropping off cones on other people's doorsteps. Costa actually had to put it in his car to bring it to Justin's.
No, I think he walked there.
You think he walked?
Whatever it is. It's not a far walk. It's a 2 to 5 minute walk. Max. Maximum. Well, ES is just teasing at this point, not going for that weekly high.
David, your phone is
$12.
Where's the cone? I got a memory of it. Well, it doesn't look like we got a bounce off Asia low in the sell side of yesterday's PM session, but ES, wow, really came close to taking out those highs. Do we have anything on the 15-minute where we could bounce from? What do we have here? Looks like we're going towards the lows here at 25.45 and all the way up to 25.66. I'll mark it out as a zone even better. There you go. These are all the lows on the 15-minute. Down here under previous day equilibrium. I always wonder, where do you think the little spiders in the houses come from? Where do they crawl in from? Can't come into the windows, can't come into the back door. Even if they make it into the garage, they have to find how somehow make a way into the house through the garage door itself.
Bro, holes in the bricks, vents, fireplace, chimneys, anywhere, bro.
What an adventure. They crawl, like they must be crawling for days to try to get into the house, find a little hole or a crack. And they come here and they realize there's no vegetation and no food. So they just sit in a corner until they die.
Or they lay eggs, and now you got a family of spiders.
But having Achilles pain. Omnius and Mike are fighting. We should do a war, a 2v2, me and Dave versus him and versus Mike and Omnius. It'd be confusing for them. It'd be like fighting double. They would think they're seeing things. I see double. TA, go look what I wrote in his chat. Why do you call him that? You didn't react to my message. TA is ignoring me. No, not you, not you, not you. That's how you know he's always ignoring me when I just say ignoring and he thinks that I'm talking about him. Uh, TA, go look at his chat. But is he on live chat? What is he reading? I don't want to repeat that on stream. That's what's crazy is that if anybody tunes in and they see me read a comment like that, they're gonna think I'm like with no context. It looks so weird. Hey, does Father Mike read chat? Father Mike. Like imagine joining a chat and somebody just starts like with what you just wrote there. Let's and goats. Like wow, what the hell is this sick man talking about? Yeah, I'm being ignored. Now you're gonna see how confused he is. He's gonna go read chat and he's gonna start from the bottom and not know I wrote 80 things above. And he's gonna be confused. What do you mean? And his brain won't acknowledge that I wrote like 80 messages before. So he'll ask the question, what do you mean? Did somebody drop me on my head? How does someone drop me on someone else's head? Yeah, that meme is so funny. What are you, an idiot? An idiot. Yeah, did somebody drop you on your head when you were a kid? How does somebody drop me on my head? What is he doing? He's so occupied. Yo, TA, look how confusing I am in his chat. Look what I wrote. I wrote, haha, live, not live. He's gonna read it funny, obvious, though. Look, look, look. He actually surprised me. He went back up to read. For all the times I told him that he's reading out of context, he actually went to go back and read. Another dump. To be honest, I'm bearish until we take out all these lows on the 15 minute, which go all the way down about 545.25. We got like about 4 or 5 stack lows on the 15 minute down here that we can soup into unmitigated 15-minute gaps. Hopefully we take it out around the 11 o'clock so we can get a little bit of a retrace and fill up the bottom gap that we're going to create on the 15. We'll take a look. Wait, what do you see in red? I see red. Red. Ooh, red. I should have a timer every time David doesn't speak for 5, 10 minutes. The alarm should go off. Ring, ring.
Bro, I got one eye open. My neck's broken.
Do you copy? Do you copy?
We're rhyming at 9:30 open.
What did you say?
My eye won't open. My neck's broken. We're rhyming at 9:30 open.
We're rhyming?
Oh my God. You didn't realize every sentence ended at with open in,
Yeah, what does that mean? We're rhyming at 9:30.
bro.
Bro, explain it.
Do you suffer from a mental condition?
I heard we're rhyming at 9:30. What does that even mean?
9:30 open. You don't hear the rhymes? My eye won't open. My neck's broken. We're rhyming. It's 9:30 open. You don't get the rhymes? You don't understand? Bro, I swear you suffer from a brain condition.
Yeah, you were rhyming.
There
Like
is
that last sentence
no
made no
open
sense though.
hell. You could convince me your brain is working at full capacity. You are suffering.
Listen here, boy. That last sentence made absolutely no sense. We're rhyming
Yeah,
at 9:30 open.
it doesn't, bro.
Listen here, boy.
You've lost your marbles. It's like your brain's working on like 1%.
Get your affairs in order, boy.
Gotta charge it or reboot or something. I'm convinced you went back to university at this age while your brain's working like that. Forget
I don't have
it.
to go back. I'm done university.
Forget it.
I completed it.
Forget it. Is your name Alex? Yeah. No. No.
David, what you don't get is that you made a rhyme, but your last sentence
It's not
absolutely
just
did not
Alex.
rhyme. The grammar was zero.
I.
0 on 40.
It's not just Alex. There's a last
Rhyming with
name.
9:30 open. Yo, what is
What?
that? Retire.
We're rhyming. It's on 9:30 open. How don't you understand that? What was wrong? What grammar is wrong? I had a beginning, a middle, and an end to the sentence. I had a noun, a
Okay,
verb.
explain me what that means.
We're rhyming. It's 9:30 open.
Listen here, boy. Better get your rhyming together.
Speak English.
Do you understand the words that are
100%.
coming out of my mouth?
100%. You gotta go get yourself checked. You have a
Anybody
brain
know
issue.
what movie that's from? Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
Seriously, I think you actually have to go get yourself checked. Your
Okay,
mental
David,
facility.
look. You barely talk. Just the little that you talk, you don't have to be disgusting and insultive. Okay, you can keep
I
it to
tell you this
yourself.
every day.
Go back on your TikTok, you scroller. All right, we're almost taking out all those lows. I'll be looking for a trade back up maybe once we take it out right here. We have the last internal low to go grab and we just took it. We took them all on the 15. We came, we hunted, we grabbed it. David. Hey, brother Dave. Are you ignoring me? I feel you don't love me as much as I do. David, hello. Talk to your older brother. TA, did you watch the movie Obsession? Okay, David, not cool, bro. He's rage baiting me now. He's ignoring me. And I see him on mute. Look, guys, he's muted.
Can I help you?
Oh, you scared the shit out of me. Welcome back, boy. When your big bro talks, you answer. Hip hip hip. Hooray. Hoorah. I don't know if that's an insult or he's making a joke. I don't get it, Futures floor. Always an issue with what I do, huh? Wow, look at that soup on the 15 minute. Took out all these lows and we're pushing above. We're gonna be souping it. Hopefully we get a little retrace down and we get a trade to go back up. Oh, you're talking about Dave. Okay. Thought it was me again. Yeah, I agree. He's not professional. I try to include him, but he just sits on mute and ignores me. I do my best. Maybe he took it personal. That's why he's not talking. I don't know. David, are you good? Are you okay? I absolutely have no idea what he's doing. He actually just went on mute. Maybe he's actually pissed.
I'm enjoying my videos. Leave me alone.
Oh, that's crazy. I do my best, chat, to entertain. No, maybe one day he'll participate more. Well, I got quiet now. Okay, what do we have here? Let's take a look. Internal highs at a 1041. Alright, well, we set all those 15-minute lows that I had a target on. So I'd be comfortable looking for longs here. I just don't really have a setup at the moment. Hopefully we could get one more internal sweep, and then before going back up, back maybe in the range here. We'll just have to wait and see. I would like one more internal sweep. David, anything you see, anything you like?
Anything you see? Anything I like? Neck.
Yeah, these are the lows I marked out in the morning. The 15-minute lows, they look so clean to come grab, especially when we continued being bearish. Look at these lows, tapped right into the fair value gap as well. Look, we souped all these lows in the 15-minute. Be comfortable taking longs now. I just would like more structure or an internal sweep to form or bullish SMTs. Even though we do have bullish SMTs on the bigger time frames, but nothing yet.
I need the same thing. I need some structure to take along.
What did you need me to look at yesterday? The 550 area? Yeah, but the 550 area, look how many lows on the 15 minute. Strong rejecting off that point as well. Let's go. Let's go, TA. Let's go. Cash it in. So there's two things I wanted to see. A reversal after we took Asia sell side, but since we displaced lower a lot more quicker, the next target I had were the lows on the 15 minute. We had about four lows that we still had that were relatively equal lows as well. We have many unfilled 15 minute for value gaps as well on the way down. I would like one more internal sweep before going back up. Or even having a bullish SMT with ES. We'll see what he wants to do here. The issue is ES has so many lows to go grab as well. And a lot of equal lows. Still holding up pretty strong. Participe s'il vous plaît. Et mon gars, je fais de mon mieux là. C'est quand même tough. Moi, je dis comme 4000 mots, t'en as dit comme 50.
Oh. Oh my god.
Alright, guys, coming up to 11 o'clock. I hear Miguel yelling. Someone's mad.
I'm mad. I feel like a handicap with a broken neck and a sty in my eye.
What's a sty?
Like an eye pimple or whatever. What I have is a blocked oil gland.
Wait, you said you
Is
went to go, you went to the eye doctor. The eye doctor you went to go see was Carlo, his cousin?
yes, sir.
I thought she worked in Montreal.
I don't know. I'm not good with geography, but it might be Montreal.
Well, where did you go towards?
Henry Bourassa.
Hmm.
Wasn't that far. 15 minutes?
Yeah. Was it XP's?
No.
You got the Carlo discount.
I didn't get the Carlo discount. I got the family discount.
That's insane. Ah.
It was actually funny. I got to the front and the lady's like, "Oh, she gave you family discount.
How
Your
sweet.
family? Your family?" I said, sort of.
That's crazy. Well, a bullish SMT. The only thing I would like to see here is a soup of these both these lows. I don't want it to continue going down here, and then have a green closure body above. We'll see if it wants to do that here.
Where are the numbers on the chart? No numbers, no winners. I put the scoreboard out.
I'll put it, but I need to put it on like OBS where it doesn't move because if not, it's annoying that I have to change it every 2 seconds. I'll put it though.
You'll put it? What does that mean?
You
What are you
said
gonna put?
the win streak thingy. Except I'm at
Oh,
a we're both at 0 right now.
I'm actually at one.
Since when?
One wiener. Wiener.
Oh, yeah, actually,
No. Are you actually?
I should have been though. I missed my trade yesterday morning again.
Might get a trade here though.
Yeah, I see it.
International. Oof. No trade. But I really want to try to catch along.
Yeah, me too. It's a good area to try to catch some longs here. On the previous day's equilibrium, we took out many lows. Asia yesterday's PM. I'm guessing yesterday's day low as well. Where are we here? No, not even. It's a bit cold in my office for the first time. Chat, any of you guys took trades today? Anything interesting you guys want to share? Trade breakdown, ideas?
All around the world, don't speak the language. My brother's booty don't need explaining. Yeah, find out funny. My brother's booty don't need explaining. No. All right. Chicky, chicky, chicky. All right, we got an internal soup. We're in the macro, and we got a failure swing. It's preventing us from going higher. Swept a bunch of liquidity. We're in an early for value gap. We're in a time macro. We're heavily in a discount. Should be pushing up from here. Could have a trade here. No, I don't think with 6 seconds left, but
The question TA was if you took any trades this morning, or you want to share any trade ideas, any breakdowns, or anything that you want us to take a look at as well. Yeah, that was a good trade off the 50 of the 550 bounce.
no, we made it.
Maybe we could get one more internal soup. Just you wait and see. I'm guessing you trailed the stop to the previous low. I would too as well. After this big green candle, I would want to see a continuation to the upside. Start forming bullish PD arrays. The issue is, who knows, we might have one more sweep. Yes, it's not that far away from taking out many lows as well. Bro, I've been getting like allergies, man. My nose is always stuffy. TA, what's your drink of choice? What does the winner of the 550 bounce like to drink? Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Yo, yo, Popa. Welcome, good morning. Or good afternoon. Depends where you are. Good morning, JC. Off to work? Thought you weren't allowed to work. Is it work work or work in the house? Damn, I need Kleenex, man. Ooh. Booyah chaka. What is it, like a little afternoon shift? 11 o'clock. Well, hopefully you slept good and you have food in your belly.
Yeah, you saw there was wildfires in Canada here?
You scared me. Yeah, I know. Yesterday I woke up and the outside was orange. I thought my eyes weren't working properly. I was looking outside, I'm like, why is it so orange outside? Like as if I had the great blue light glasses on. It was orange, orange, orange over here. I don't know about you. It was actually looking, it was like I was looking through pink lenses or orange lenses outside. Okay, what do we got here?
Ooh.
This might be a nice long if we get a second bullish candle.
Not for me.
I don't know.
We're not bullish here. We're moving sideways. Current dealing range. We're not in a discount from what I use. But I would like to see a break of structure and some structure form for us to continue up.
Never
I
heard
mean,
of that
ES
type
has
of
relatively
dream tea.
equal highs
Wouldn't
right
like to
below
try
our
it either.
weekly high. Oh, he's over talking.
What'd you say?
I said ES left relatively equal highs this morning after
Yeah.
9:30 and around 10:15, right under a weekly high. That's not engineered. I don't know what is. That has to be engineered. No way we're not going to grab it today. I guarantee you. Ooh.
Those look like clean, relatively cool highs to go grab as well. I marked it out.
You worked out what?
Dave is hard to hear. Let me see if I could raise him. I'll raise him in
I'm a
the
bit far from
Discord.
my mic. It might be better now. I'm closer.
Is he better now, TA? I raised his mic.
He raised my mic.
He should be a lot louder. He's crazy loud in my ears now. I don't know how loud you hear him on stream though.
He's loud in my ears.
I have an idea. Yeah, you hear him perfectly now, huh?
Should be good enough, yeah. But I'm also closer to my mic.
No, but I put you a lot louder as well on the Discord, so they'll hear you louder because it's picking it up. I'm surprised you didn't like that trade.
No, current dealing range, I'm not in a discount. Fortunately, we're moving a bit sideways. It's not bad, it's just against my rules. I can't take it. You can't say you're bullish there yet. So for me, the only thing we got is overall we're in a discount. I can't take a trade with one out of the three of my key confluences.
Short term, we don't look super bearish. We're making higher lows. We have 4 sets of higher lows.
You moved sideways for like half an hour.
No, the range got tighter, but we still made higher lows. We made 4 higher lows. Anyways, all good. Like I tell Dad, it's not my trade, so I can't argue on it.
You could still consolidate while making higher lows. It's not a problem. There's tight consolidations that make lower highs and higher lows. ES gonna go now.
It's all gonna go.
EA
I don't even have any
Sports.
more lows for NQ to even go grab at those lows. We took out everything.
It's in the game.
If only I could raise my voice like I raised his. I have no idea what to do. I can't even raise it in OBS. I could raise his in the Discord so you guys will hear him a lot louder. Mine, I can't really do that. David Miser. Where is that though? Oh my god, Dave, what you sent me is so far.
How far?
9 hours.
Sheesh. 9 hours. That's crazy.
Wow, this can be a crazy bearish day. We have so many 15-minute unfilled gaps on the way down still. And our market open was so bearish, we sunk so fast. The only thing bothering me is ES. Like you said, we have the highs that it made relatively good highs with the open high. And it also has previous week high above as well. But it has a lot of lows to go grab as well. Remember that stat? Wednesday normally never makes the high or low of week, and it rarely it makes the extremity of the week. Okay, what do we have here? Nothing for me. Tia, I'll join up a bit in the on my phone. The issue is I don't have a long time to make myself lunch because then I gotta be back for the PM session at 1 o'clock as well. Well, we got a big bullish SMT. It's too bad the lows aren't the same, so there's no trade for me. It's gonna be on the trading ever after. Is it on the account you're texting in the chat right now, or it's gonna be on a different account? Just spelled trading ever after. One more internal. We'd be looking bearish. ES just took out some decent lows. Oh, my back. Wow, what a bounce. Talk about a bullish candle, huh? Is Walsh still speaking? That's the issue on Forex Factor. You can't even see when he's done talking. You don't even know if the news is completed.
Yeah, you got to look him up and like find a speech.
I think he's done. Because I see the news at 10:30. There's still a little green arrow, like as if they're still waiting on it.
It's probably done or talking about things that aren't important anymore,
Yeah.
like climate change. Like paper straws. Bro, paper straws. I remember when Tim Hortons started to introduce those. You put your straw in, and like a minute later, you're
It would start
slurping
coming
like.
up in your drink. You'd get,
It
it
was
would be like,
hilarious.
yeah, it'd be like drinking toilet paper. Yeah, that wasn't fun, I remember. What a horrible idea. Like, nobody tried it beforehand and so just saw how it disintegrates into your own drink. It actually takes just one person just to try it out and for them to see that it didn't work or it doesn't work. Am I right, Dave?
Yes.
What a bounce we got. Yeah, TA, we should look into it. Maybe once a week we'll do a stream or an activity or something fun, everyone together. Oh, you were live yesterday as well? Hey man, my phone's been bugging. So what are the obvious lows that we still have to go grab? The only thing that would make sense would be previous day low. That's all I see. And unfilled 1 hour gaps with the new day opening gap of the 13th, but that's irrelevant. That's the only thing I see here. Previous day low as a target. And it's crazy, yeah. If you look on the 1 hour, we left kind of like relatively equal highs. We have like triple relatively equal highs in a 20-30 point range on the 1 hour. Even all-time high. Look how close the highs are on all-time high. It's insane. Sorry, chat. I'm just looking at the daily. I wanted to see a couple things. All right. Well, it looks like we're continuing to push down. The only extra target I see here would be previous day low all the way down, but we're still pretty far from it, over about 300 points. The only thing that we can react off of is what I see is the 1 hour bullish for value gap that we're in right now. Looks like we're respecting it. I would love to get an internal bullish SMT at these lows before 12. I would love to keep these highs intact, come down, get a bullish SMT at the low before the 12 o'clock. David, you still alive, man? You're so quiet.
Yeah, I'm letting you steal the show. You're so good. Show me your grades. I'll show you mine.
Don't have anything yet. I would love to keep the high intact. And just to get some sort of bullish SMT here at the bottom. Come on, one more internal sweep. Keep those relatively equal highs
One
intact.
more internal sweep. How many internal sweeps do you want?
Because I want my trade to form, so I would need an internal.
Wow, my neck. Oh my god.
I thought you'd be better after taking the medication and cream
Bro,
and everything.
I took one of those rollbacks. I took Tylenol, Advil. I put Voltaren on my neck. I did that last night, and I did it this morning too.
Maybe it's a nerve you bothered. 'Cause those are all muscle relaxants, so you should have felt better.
I feel a bit better. Like instead of like a 9 on 10, it's like an 8. It's a 7. It's pretty bad. This is the worst muscle I pulled. Thought I just pinched a muscle in my neck and I'll put some Voltaren and I'll be fine the next day, but holy moly.
We're going up on a
Yes, give me
Tuesday.
some movement. That's a beautiful candle.
What? Sounded like a dog growling. What'd you say? Can you articulate better?
So that's a nice green candle.
Oh.
Wow. I was warming up when I pulled the muscle in my neck.
Oh, so it's like you just got to the gym.
Pretty much, yeah.
That's rough. Bro, how's my chair already squeaking?
Didn't even get to work out. I told myself, oh, you know what? Let's continue. I did a bit. I was like, bro, this is way too much pain. I can't even move around. Couldn't even sit up off the bench. I'm like, okay, I'll go home. I'll rest tomorrow. I'll be good for arm day. Yeah, right. I'm destroyed.
Ice and heat compress. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Well, I'm so confused because for me, NQ already took out enough sell side to continue going back up. ES has other targets to go back up to go grab as well with the previous week high and the relatively equal highs are left this morning. But it also has a lot of lows to go grab. What is that, 2 to 1 for bullish? There's a little fruit fly in my office. Patty the batty. Ba 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 ba. It's actually like he just gets better and better.
Two green bullish candles here.
Oh, Patty the
We might
batty.
win. We might get one. Two green candles here. That's all we need.
Two best friends in a room.
I want ES to carry us towards that weekly high and Q follow and just follow ES's speed. Gay man in a room, he might kiss.
It's a big stop. It's a 50-point stop.
Sucks that ES is leading.
I don't know.
Goddamn boy messed
Something
around with me.
strange in the neighborhood. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters.
Something strange in the neighborhood. Gonna call.
Ghostbusters.
Dun,
Da-na-na-na-na.
dun, 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 dun.
When you're a kid, every movie seems like so crazy and fun, you know? Every movie, you're like, wow, wow, what a great movie.
I don't know. I think we just had good movies growing up.
Back in the day,
Remember the movie Over the Hedge?
yeah.
I want to rewatch it.
Yeah, I put it on the TV for Alessio but when they were here. I remember how much I enjoyed it as a kid. I'm like, bro, this kid has to watch it. Over the Hedge.
Oof. Wow, this is horrendous pain. There's no position that like relieves it well.
Take another Robax or like a muscle relaxant.
Yeah, I could take naproxen, but it's an anti-inflammatory, but I can't take that with Advil, and I took Advil like 3, 4 hours ago. I don't know how like separate I have to wait or how much time away. I don't know.
The candles are getting pretty big, huh? Very wicky. Very, very wicky. I'm not really comfortable taking anything here. It's like we're playing ping pong since 10:40. What is this? 10:40, yeah, 10:41. Higher prices do make sense though right now. Like I said, we're reacting off a 1 hour. We took out so much buy sell side on the 1 hour and on the 15-minute as well. Bingy bongy. It's a game of ping pong. Where I keep having to crack my neck. It's so bad. Ping pong is free money. I hate ping pong. In the market, I like to see speed and fast delivery. An environment where your probability of taking a winning trade is increased a lot higher than when you're choppy and playing ping pong like this. Probability of you being stopped out is a lot higher. This is Chop City. Well, what's your setup when you're in ping pong territory? Well, ping pong, like you're like right here in Chop. You have a good strategy for Chop City? I don't have any. I don't have a trade setup that could perform in this type of market conditions. Oh, my back, man. Hey, we're really having trouble pushing above this price, huh? The 660 area. Price is having difficult times to push above.
Hey, it's pretty slow, man. We had our down move, and we're
Yeah.
gonna get a move during lunch again.
Yeah, this isn't clean. Well, we're really having trouble pushing up past this level. Any internal low we have here? No, I don't like anything here either. All right, chat, if any of you guys are new here, please subscribe. Helps out the channel, puts a smile on my face. I think I'm going to close it up here. I don't like what price is doing. It's very choppy. We'll be back in the PM session, and hopefully we could catch something for you guys and for us as well. Thank you guys for tuning in, chatting. We appreciate it. And I'll see you guys later.